In this short tutorial, I will show you how to unhide comments on Instagram. Sometimes, you may accidentally hide a comment or want to reveal hidden comments on your posts. Follow these easy steps to unhide comments and make them visible again. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down until you see an option called Hidden Words. Tap on it. Now you'll see an option called Hide Comments. Comments that may be offensive will automatically be hidden in a separate section of your posts, reels, and videos. To unhide comments on Instagram, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.